Hey guys, so this is Lure, as you can see. Earlier today I entered this cute little bunny in the Easter contest for Build-A-Bunny, and I made him out of chocolate eggs that I made at home. So I've been mentioning it all over Rolietta, and I thought that I would show you guys what they look like. These ones don't look as good because I didn't trim them up, but yeah, I made these at home, and on the inside, on the inside, if I can split it open, they're all creamy. See? And they're actually really good. So I made those at home. It was my first time making them. I got a recipe from a client of mine, so they're actually really good. As for my real eggs, I have yet to paint them, so I feel kind of bad about that, but I'm hoping to get to those later, even though Easter's kind of over. So, these are my eggs. I hope you guys like them, because I certainly do. They're really, really yummy. Sorry I didn't make an appearance, guys. Bye!